Hey everyone, it's Miranda. Welcome back to my channel where I talk all things budget, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. If that sounds interesting to you, then become the newest member of the Slashed Squad by hitting the subscribe button and the bell. This week's Slashed Squad member of the week is Irene. Irene, thank you so much for always leaving such thoughtful comments. You can be featured in my next video by subscribing and following me on Instagram. So the newest brand on the budget beauty block is Believe Beauty. There's been a little bit of buzz about it online, and it's a Dollar General exclusive beauty brand where nothing is over $5. And funny enough, I've actually been using and liking a handful of their products because I was planning on making this video anyway, and then I got lucky because Dollar General wanted to sponsor me. So they challenged me to go in store, pick up a full face of makeup for under $50, including tax. So earlier today, I went into my local Dollar General where they have a full-on Believe Beauty end cap in the beauty section. They have the entire range there, and there really is something for each step of your routine, and nothing's over $5. It's great. So if you want to check out what I picked up from Dollar General, plus my full face makeup look that I create, and see if I was actually able to succeed at this challenge, just keep watching. So one of the products that I already owned and was testing and actually really loving was the Believe Beauty Skin Finish Foundation. This is a medium to full coverage foundation, but it still looks very natural on the face and feels lightweight. For a brand new budget beauty brand, I was actually pretty impressed with the range of skin tones that they cater to, and my shade is neutral tan. So I've actually been testing this foundation for a few months now, and I've been reaching for it when I do want something really high coverage without feeling heavy or cakey, because the finish on it is very smooth and natural looking, and it is a demi matte finish, so it will dry down so that it's not dewy, but it's never gonna look or feel dry. It plays very nicely with my combo skin. Now, something that I haven't tried before that I just picked up this morning was the Believe Beauty You're Covered Liquid Concealer. I got the shade Light Beige, which is maybe a little bit lighter than my skin tone, not by much though. The concealer is blending out really easily and melds into the foundation really well, just completely seamless. The finishes match perfectly. Next thing I picked up was their brow pencil. Decided on ash brown, and the pencil was only $4. Now this is a super soft pencil formula. It's incredibly creamy, so you do not need a lot of pressure here. And I really like that the spoolie end is kind of on the smaller side, so it gives you some control when you're brushing the product through your brows. So Believe Beauty has a variety of these 6-pan eyeshadow palettes. I went for the Nearly Nude palette because these are shades that I definitely gravitate to for day-to-day makeup, so I thought that this smaller compact would be great for travel and just on-the-go application. So first I'm going in with this eggshell shade, and I'm gonna use that all over the lid. That will help set the concealer that we used as a base. I'm actually gonna use this under my eye as well to set that concealer. So now that that's set, I'm gonna use this mauve shade as a transition color above my crease. And I'm gonna add a little brow bone highlight with this bottom right-hand shade. Moving into my crease, I'm gonna be using this dark brown. I'm gonna be putting that in my outer corner and bringing it up into my crease. I'm gonna go back in with the concealer and create a cut crease. All right, on the whim decision here, I'm gonna use the same shade as the brow bone highlight on my lid. Oh yeah, that was the right decision. And I'm just going to blend the outer corner shade into that a little bit, soften up the line. Ooh, that blends beautifully. I was worried that there'd be a line of demarcation because of the concealer, but everything is seamless. So this is the Believe Beauty Long Lasting Eyeliner in Caviar. Check out how tapered this tip is. I love precise points like that. So I'm gonna be using this as a tight liner for my upper waterline. This is like the perfect tight liner because of how small it is. Really easy to get in under the lashes. And it's a nice rich black. So this is the Believe Beauty liquid eyeliner in Midnight Jaguar, which is their black shade. They also had a few other colorful shades as well if you want to add a pop of color to your liner. And it is a felt tip, but it comes to a very precise point. The tip of this is actually on the longer side, so it's really easy to stamp onto the upper lash line and get really close to the lashes. So I'm generally just not a fan of felt tip liners. This one does seem a little bit on the drier side in terms of formula, but it gets the job done, and the shape really does help contribute to a sharp line. I wish the formula was a little bit more of a rich black. In fact, I might just go over a little bit with the other liner because that one was really dark. Yeah, that's helping kind of make it more deep black. So I already had one Believe Beauty mascara, but I wanted to try this one that caught my eye. It's the High Drama Fiber Mascara, and it's supposed to give me a false lash look. Ooh, it's like a very small wand. I'm digging it. I like how this mascara is making my lashes look fluffy. The fibers are really making them look a little bit more full and fluttery, and definitely adding length. That's a big difference. I like this mascara a lot. So at my store, they had 4 different styles of false lashes from Believe Beauty, and what I love is that it is a full kit, so you get the lashes and the glue inside. I chose the Glamorous style, which are very full and fluttery. That's just kind of what I gravitate to when it comes to lashes. So I'm just gonna check the fit. They do look a little long, so let me trim them. Okay, I have them trimmed to size. I'm gonna add glue. Hello. All right, so Believe Beauty does have individual compacts for blushes and highlights, but it was actually way more cost effective to get one of their palettes. So this is their Get Glowing Highlight and Contour Palette. There are 2 shade options for this palette. This is light medium. And this contour is buildable. I consider myself to have light medium skin, and it starts out on the lighter side, but if I layer it up, I can get enough of a color payoff to really give my face some definition. The blush in this palette is on the peachy side, really nice for summer. Really nice color payoff. So I'm gonna finish off with the highlight in the palette. I love the glow that this highlight gives me. It's like not glittery or anything, you just get a really nice strobe. Oh yeah. All right, the last product to finish up the look is, again, one that I did have a shade of at home, their Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick, but I wanted to pick up a new shade, so I chose Cherry on Top, which is this hot red color. So like I said, I have tried these before. It's a really nice thin formula that dries down quickly, and the flat applicator makes it really easy to work with, and it stays comfortable despite it drying down. I love how smooth it makes my lips look. The color payoff of this lipstick is awesome. I'm not gonna need more than 1 layer. I also didn't double dip at all. That was just 1 swipe basically of the wand. And we are done. I feel super glam right now. I need to figure out some place to go in this look. Everything used to create this full face of makeup came in just under $50, including Nevada state tax. So I'm curious, have you tried Believe Beauty for yourself? If you have, I'd love to hear your product suggestions in the comments below. And if you do go out and try any of their products, definitely tag me in your looks on Instagram. Join me in another video by clicking up here, and I'll see you over there. Bye!